Experience world-class service at Austin David Executive Royal Dock, one of our best sellers in London. Located just off Royal Victoria Square and with the Excel Centre a few hundred yards away, this penthouse apartment is equipped to ensure guests' comfort during their stay in London. Parking is possible for a fee, and free Wi-Fi can be accessed in the apartment. Additionally, a complimentary travel card is offered to guests and a free airport pickup from London airports, subject to specific terms. Each apartment features a living room with floor-to-ceiling windows and a TV with satellite channels. The bathroom has both a bath and shower as well as complimentary toiletries. Guests have access to the property's community sauna. With a dishwasher, the well-equipped kitchen also has an oven, microwave and cookware. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.